Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install MySQL Workbench on Windows 11 in a very simple way. What you can do, you have to open up your browser, then simply come over into the search option and simply search for MySQL Workbench. Download. Click on that. And then you can simply get the first option, download MySQL Workbench. If you click on it, then here you will going to select Microsoft Windows, and from here you're going to click on Windows x86 64-bit download. Click on that, and now we're going to click on no thanks, just start my download. Click on download, and it's about 255 MB, so it will take some of seconds to complete. Now click on this folder icon, click on it 2 times to install. Click on run. Now you can simply minimize all of your background tab, and here we can simply click on next. Click on install, and as you can see that the MySQL Workbench 8.0 C is rightly installing, and there will be a permission. Click yes, and here you can see that the MySQL Workbench is rightly opened in our computer, as you can see. So yeah, this is how we can simply download and install MySQL Workbench in your computer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.